Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to revolutionize your at-home nail game, the Kiss Brush-On Gel Nail Kit. We found this kit online, and we've added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's get into what the Kiss Brush-On Gel Nail Kit is all about. This kit is designed to give you everything you need for a salon-quality gel manicure right from the comfort of your home. Whether you're looking for a classic French manicure, a pop of color, or unique nail designs, this kit has got you covered. The unique gel formula is applied with a brush, allowing for a smooth and shiny finish without the need for any buffing. One of the standout features of this kit is its incredible convenience. The Kiss Brush-On Gel Nail Kit offers comparable benefits to a professional salon gel manicure but requires significantly less time and expense. You can complete your manicure in mere minutes, and the best part? It dries in under 5 minutes without needing a curing light. This means you can enjoy a comfortable, durable, and flexible finish that lasts up to 14 days. Now, let's talk about the application. The kit is specially formulated for long-wearing durability, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned nail art enthusiasts. The mistake-proof application is easy to follow, so even if you've never done your nails at home before, you can achieve a beautiful finish with confidence. Plus, the nails are waterproof, which means you won't have to worry about color smudging or chipping. And since there's no dry time needed, you can go about your day without waiting around for your nails to set. The Kiss Brush-On Gel Nail Kit also includes 48 nail tips, offering you 2 different ways to wear them. You can choose between a permanent French finish tip or a natural color tip that you can wear as is, or customize with your favorite color gel or nail polish. This versatility means you can easily switch up your look depending on your mood or the occasion. Who is this kit suitable for? Honestly, it's a fantastic option for anyone looking to elevate their nail care routine. If you're someone who loves experimenting with nail art or simply wants a reliable way to maintain beautiful nails at home, this kit is for you. It's also great for busy individuals who don't have the time or resources to visit a salon regularly, as it provides a quick and affordable alternative. Now, let's explore some practical use cases. Imagine getting ready for a night out or a special event and wanting to look your best. With the Kiss Brush-On Gel Nail Kit, you can quickly do your nails and achieve that polished look without the hassle of a salon appointment. Or perhaps you have a busy week ahead and want to ensure your nails stay intact. This kit allows you to create a long-lasting manicure that you can rely on, no matter how hectic life gets. In conclusion, the Kiss Brush-On Gel Nail Kit is a game-changer for at-home manicures. With its easy application, quick drying time, and impressive durability, it's an excellent investment for anyone looking to achieve beautiful nails without the fuss of a salon visit. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.